Press the motor start/stop button to turn on the motor. Release the button to stop the motor rotation. Short press the water volume control button to adjust the coolant flow. Long press to activate the rinsing mode. Short press the button or click the back button on the screen to exit the rinsing mode. Double-click the water volume control button to turn off the water flow. Short press the water volume control button again to turn on the water volume. Short press the P button to switch to the next program step. And long press to switch to the previous program step. Short press the rotation direction switching button to switch the rotation direction.